107. Why can't we just enter our code?
If you purchased your car wash at
We got a free car wash here. Oh, this is a different 7-Eleven, by the way. It is.
Thank you for purchasing your car wash.
Dad,
The car wash.
Dad, make sure to roll up all of them. There's an emergency exit door, I guess. Now, this one's built into the station. This is a Ryko Softglass MAXX, different model. Still not the one at Carowinds Boulevard. No signage to tell you.
Taste.
Remember that parking brake. Whoa. This car wash means business. I like this new model. Hey, I think those are supposed to be some other colors. Power!
Maybe check out the temperature here. It's dropping down to 99, 98.
Oh, wow. 97. 96. See what's happening there.
Hey Jeremy, when they did a competition with this thing out with the SUV, he had to lay the seats down. He has one. He couldn't figure out how to lay the seats down. He had to call his wife to figure out how to do it.
He's doing some sort of tire scrub.
They said this is the most popular SUV school parents.
Lincoln Dykes. It's getting bright in here. It's bright. Those lights are bright, aren't they?
It's really creepy.
Mom, look, it's the tricolor foam thing. Everyone's favorite.
I think this. Even in the shade inside of a car wash.
We're not video propaganda. No photos.
Oh. 92 now, Jason.
Oh, wow. It's really hot.
91.
I really do enjoy the fact that it's polishing my door.
I don't even know what his name
There we go.
Hey. Hey.
another pass.
That's because we got the works.
Oh, I guess this is supposed to be the MAXX or something. Or their rain or something. Wish this model had like a sign. Looks like this model does not. Oh yeah, one of the features was double pass.
We paid $2.50. We better get something good.
We didn't pay a penny. Oh, this is supposed to be their MAXX.
So what are they putting on there?
It's not MAXX. It's something that they call
Like
it.
MAXX.
I don't remember what they call it. Oh, there's a cat's bus. Keep going. Another pass. Wow, they're serious about this. For a while, this car wash was closed for some reason.
And we're down to 84.
There's the big brush again. Oh, this thing has built-in dryers. Okay. Yeah, it's still in red. Yeah. Like some laser wash model. Mom, that one was mine. Spin it. Instead of a big metal plate, you get a flappy dryer.
I think the brushes are 7-Eleven colors.
I already said that.
I guess on today, like $1 short.
Dryers are pretty good. I was like, wait, there aren't any dryers in here. I never expected that to go off.
After we eat lunch,
There's two.
we're gonna eat hot dogs.
Frequent sudden stops. There's the big dryer again. Yeah, these dryers are pretty good. Better than the other ones that I've seen. I do prefer like having another dryer right there though. So it's just like
Dad, you sore from yesterday?
done.
That's good.
And bam, the sensors turn off.
Are you?
And
What?
Are you sore?
it's pretty bright out here. Temperatures start to go up. Alright, thanks for watching and bye.